Hey everybody, it's Eric Holmgren, your ambassador at large for the Placentia Chamber of Commerce, and today I am joined by Lily Ramos with Color Street Nails. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Good, good. I'm planning on building a fence. I could use your nails. No. Tell me about the sort of nails you have with Color Street.
Color Street is a company that sells nail strips, nail polish strips.
Okay.
They are made from real nail polish.
Okay.
And makes it very easy.
And these are the types that they're already assembled, already done. All you have to do is then apply them to your nails.
That is correct.
Okay, I think I understand. As a man, I think I understand that. Okay, good. And what is it that makes these particularly appealing for ladies or people who want to have colored nails?
Our founder, Mr. Park, saw a woman putting actual nail polish on her nails while she was driving and did the blowing of the nails to try to get them to dry. And he thought there had to be a different method, had to be something better. So he created Color Street. So being made of real nail polish, you just peel it off. You place it on your nails, smooth it out, trim the edge, and next thing you know, you have a new manicure.
Okay.
And it takes minutes for either hand. And you get enough in your set to cover manicure and pedicure.
Okay. Very good. So then you basically, for probably a fraction of the cost of actually going to get them done, you can do them yourself and they're done quickly and easily.
Absolutely.
Okay, good. And lots of colors and everything else, I imagine?
Yes.
Okay.
They have the colors, they have glitters, they have overlay. It's just wonderful. Great variety.
Well, good. Now, Lily, you and I had talked in a previous chamber chat about your affiliation with Touchstone and the products that you have for them as well. And you do both Touchstone and the nails through something called direct sales. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, good. Now, how long have you been doing direct sales?
I have been doing direct sales since the 1990s.
Okay, so quite a while now. So you might even be called an expert in direct sales. What was the first company that you did direct sales with?
That was The Love of Jewelry, which I take after my mother.
Okay.
And it was called Cookie Lee Jewelry.
Okay. And how long did you do direct sales with them?
I was with them for 20 years total. About 4 or 5 years prior to that, Cookie Lee, actual person, had sold her business to another young lady.
Okay, and so then the company changed maybe and you decided to move on to other companies. So then what did you do after that?
Oh my goodness, after that I did Michi handbags, which are interchangeable bags. They closed their company and I went to Magnolia and Vine, which was also interchangeable jewelry and handbags, and they too closed their doors.
Okay. All right. So you've had a number of different experiences with different companies. Now, I think that experience has probably helped you somewhat. When you are looking to do direct sales, what is it that's made it appealing to you? Because you've been doing it now for almost 30 years. What do you like about doing direct sales?
I am my own boss.
Okay.
Make my own hours, work when I want or when I don't want to. It just fits better into my lifestyle. It's fun money for me. Go on trips, hotel stays, little weekend getaway.
There you go.
Nice dinners.
No one can argue with that. So you've had some different experiences with companies that have been successful and some that have failed. How has that informed your decision when you then go to pick a new company to work with or a new product to sell? What is it that you're looking for, thinking about when you're thinking about getting involved with direct sales with a product or service?
Actually, I have to love the product,
Okay.
number one. I want to see its stability, where it had been in the past and how long it has been in business. With Touchstone Crystal, Swarovski is its home company, and just about everyone knows the name Swarovski crystals. And that's been around for 127, 28 years now. So there's stability there. With Color Street, I know that Mr. Park had worked on trying to make this a reality, and it took 10 plus years, I believe. And it was just what the product was, what it can do, and how it can change lives. And that's what I liked about that.
Okay, so you're looking for a product that you like.
Yes.
Obviously, jewelry and nails are things that you can use as well as you like. And then the company's got some sort of longevity, or it has some sort of story or passion or goal that also corresponds with what you think is valuable as well.
Correct.
Okay, good. If you were going to be talking to somebody who's interested in doing some sort of direct sales, maybe they've been approached to sell a product, candles, any number of things that are out there, there's lots of stuff. What would you ask them, or what questions would you want them to think about before they made the commitment to get into direct sales?
Great question. With either Color Street or Touchstone Crystal, one would have to, number one, love the product, be able to wear it and sell it. Sometimes people will say, I love your nail polish, what is the shade? And say, well, this is what I do.
Okay.
And it makes it real for them. And with that in mind, gives me the opportunity of, number one, I may have a new customer. Number two, I may have someone who wants to do the job as well, because it's an easy sell. Do I want to sit in a salon for an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, from the time they've taken off my original nail polish and put a new one on and it is dry, and then going home. Come to realize that perhaps it wasn't really cured well onto one's nails, and
Right.
go to bed and you wake up with waffle patterns on your fingers. But with Color Street, you don't get that.
Okay. So by having a product then that you're actually using, that then makes it easier for other people to see it because you're actually a user of it, as opposed to it's just some random product out there type of a thing. Well, that's very interesting and very good advice. And I don't know if there's anything else you'd like to share before we wrap things up today.
Well, if you're interested in nail polish or in doing the business, by all means, let me know. Thank you.
Okay. Well, terrific. And Lily's got lots of business experience, obviously in direct sales, and we'll have to talk with you about other stuff here too, but I don't really need your nail product today.
No, but you may know someone who does.
That is true. Didn't think about that. If you have somebody who needs it, get in touch with Lily. And in the meantime, until our next episode, be well.